Women have a heightened olfactory system and are generally more sensitive to smells than men. This sensitivity can fluctuate depending on their stage in the menstrual cycle. Studies suggest that women are often more adept at reading and interpreting emotional signals, particularly microexpressions, which contributes to the stereotype of having a sixth sense. The concept of the tend and befriend response highlights a difference in stress management, where women are more likely to seek social support during stressful periods compared to the fight or flight instinct seen more sharply in men due to evolutionary influences. In relationships, this can manifest as a nurturing approach during conflicts. Research indicates that women tend to value emotional fidelity over physical fidelity, meaning they are often more disturbed by emotional affairs than physical ones, which can sometimes be more distressing than actual infidelity. The size and structure of a woman's corpus callosum can enable more efficient interhemispheric communication, leading to the myth that women multitask better than men. However, this ability to process different types of tasks simultaneously is still a topic of scientific debate. Women are more likely to experience color vision variation due to genetic differences, as 2 of the 3 color cones are located on the X chromosome. This occasionally results in a heightened ability to distinguish subtle color differences. In cognitive skills related to memory, women often outperform men, particularly in verbal episodic memory and facial recognition tasks. This capability might be influenced by evolutionary factors that prioritize social bonding and environmental awareness. During ovulation, women are subconsciously able to detect more masculine features and behaviors in potential mates, which can influence their attraction and sexual interest. This shift in preference is thought to be driven by innate biological mechanisms aiming for genetic diversity and offspring survival. Research shows that women use both hemispheres of their brain more equally than men during certain activities, such as language tasks. This balanced brain activity may contribute to women's often superior verbal abilities and emotional processing. The female intuition, often credited to women, may be linked to greater sensitivity and attention to detail in social contexts, which has been supported by numerous psychological studies highlighting their ability to pick up on nonverbal cues and subtleties in conversation more effectively than men. Psychologically, women are generally more prone to experiencing higher levels of anxiety than men, but this also makes them adept at detecting danger and protecting their social circles. Evolutionarily, this trait may have developed to safeguard offspring and maintain harmony within familial groups. Studies show that even as young as toddlers, girls are more likely to engage in eye contact longer than boys, which is believed to be an early indicator of their more prominent focus on social interactions and emotional connections. The menstrual cycle can significantly affect a woman's psychological state, with varying hormonal levels influencing mood, cognition, and even perceptions of attraction. Interestingly, during the high fertility phase, some women exhibit more symmetry in facial features, subtly increasing attractiveness. Women are more likely than men to remember emotionally charged events, particularly those that involve social and interpersonal dynamics. This heightened recall ability helps in maintaining relationships and nurturing bonds, but it can also contribute to longer-lasting emotional memories of traumatic events. Interestingly, the phenomenon of mirroring is often more pronounced in women, meaning they are more likely to subconsciously mimic the behaviors and emotions of those around them as a form of empathy and social bonding. This can enhance group cohesion and create a sense of unity in social settings. 90% of women get aroused when a man kisses their neck, says the latest Harvard University study. Go try it out on someone, you horned devil.